Pam, would you please explain what a non-word is?
A non-word is a phonetically regular, made-up word. The non-words that we use as we go in the program are words that only have the concepts that we have explicitly taught before. So when we introduce non-words, they are practicing and reinforcing the information that they've already learned. They don't have to guess at anything. And the reason this is so important is because when you have a reader that is using compensatory reading skills, especially as they get older, they have developed habits that we have to help override. And we can't do that through words they've already seen. So if you put the word, for example, excitement in front of them, they are going to know what that word is, but we will not be able to tell if they are encoding or decoding. But if we take whatever concept it is that we're working on and using in non-words, we can really check to make sure that they understand how to apply it.
Pam, what is the average age for assessment?
Well, in our practice, it's usually about 5th to 6th grade, sometimes trending a little bit older, which, is kind of interesting to a lot of people because we assume that it's the little kids that we're getting. But actually, since most people with dyslexia do read, we have to kind of wait often to see them till they get to a point where they're becoming really frustrated. So these are readers that have been using compensatory reading systems, and then their cognitive load or the memory that they have in their brain is getting a little bit overwhelmed. So their compensatory and coping strategies start to get really inconsistent. And these are also the kids that, they're reading, but they're starting to make a lot more mistakes. And these are also kids where they hear a lot of, you just need to try harder, or you need to focus. And as parents, we actually know that's not true because we see these kids coming home. We see them doing all of this homework, and we know how hard they're trying. And for them to be told that they're trying harder doesn't make a lot of sense because these are the kids, they're doing all the extra work at night while their buddies are out doing something else. So that is often a sign of a compensatory reader.